Hello everyone, welcome to Science and Tech series with Dr. Vivek Rana. Topic for today's discussion is from space section. There is an asteroid which is dominating headlines, and as per one estimate its worth is more than entire economy of Earth, because Hubble telescope images have been processed through UV rays, and as per the one estimate that says that it can be compared to Earth core, which is comprised mainly of iron and nickel. So if we take that into account, the rough cost is almost 10,000 quadrillion dollars, which is can be said in a lighter note that it's more than the entire economy of Earth. So we'll be decoding what this asteroid is, what is its location, and what is the future mission which will be exploring this asteroid in detail in future. First of all, the nomenclature part, because you can see the name is not a conventional one. Most of the asteroids have some unique name related to some geographical angle or some, you could say, the mythological characters. So we'll be decoding, because both the terms have their own significance. There is a numerical 16 and then there is a word site. So first of all, coming to the word site, it is named after the Roman goddess of soul. So you have to understand it's once again the mythological angle, and this word 16 refers to the number, because this was the 16th asteroid to be discovered way back in 1853. So this is what the name is. It's named after the goddess of soul. Now this asteroid was discovered in 1853 by Italian astronomer, you could say the Gasparis, and he discovered it through the telescope itself. Now, why is this in news? Because recently the Hubble telescope in 2017 captured the images using the UV ray technique, and the light emitted through it when it was studied, it was mainly found that it's mainly matching the spectrum as reflected through the iron. So this is where the theme is now catching the eyeballs, because this asteroid, because we all know the asteroids which are present between Mars and Jupiter are mostly metallic, but this one is unique in the sense that it's entirely metallic, and it could be made entirely of iron and nickel and some precious metals. Yes, there is no confirmatory studies that will be decoded by future NASA mission, but as per now they say that it can be compared to the Earth's core. And the theory about its formation could be that it could be remnant of some protoplanet which was destroyed by some massive collision, or it could be also due to a protoplanet which was revolving, and it might have lost its outer mantle and crust due to some unexplained phenomenon. So, and it could be some other angle as well. So there are no concrete explanations that why this anomaly existing. And this is what makes this asteroid a key reason for exploration, because it will not only give insights about how early solar system was formed, but it could also give a detailed analysis how the core exactly is, because the core is one of the most unexplored part of the Earth. So this is where a lot of now curiosity have arisen, and NASA has already announced a future mission to study 16 site. So they are not going to make it more complex. They have named it Psyche itself. So Psyche mission will study the 16th Psyche asteroid, and the deadline is they will start in 2022, and to pass the Mars and to reach the asteroid belt, it will take them 2026. And it is not going to, and all of you who might be curious that are they planning to bring back this potato shaped asteroid back to Earth, which is roughly of 140 miles, which is currently there is no such technologies to bring such a massive structure back to Earth. But yes, they will try to explore it through an orbiter, just like the other missions have been doing. And in future, they might, if the technology is available, they might try to mine it, because it can be a useful asset for once the reusable technology and the other themes comes into the picture. And a day in this asteroid is roughly 4 hours, and year can be compared equivalent to the 5 Earth years. So that's another interesting facts which you can go through, even though examiner might not be too interested in covering. So let's see, in 2022 this mission takes off from Cape Canaveral, Florida, because there's where the major NASA missions always go through. For the time being, so you can see the asteroids are coming once again in picture. We had covered the Ceres, Vesta, as well as other outer planetary missions. So make sure you don't just limit your preparation to the major planets or the satellites. Even the asteroids also are equally important, and the exoplanets as well as the other unique structures. For the time being, let's just wind up this theme with the revision of what asteroids and meteoroid comets are. Make sure you also just brush these themes from your geography textbook, and also there is no harm in just revising the outer planetary mission from our science and tech notes as well, because that's where the complementary angle, when you do the interdisciplinary and complementary study of two themes, that's when your questions will start getting corrected completely. Even though generally the foreign missions are asked superficially, they will just ask that this particular mission is related to. They might try to confuse you with some outer planetary body or some other science mission related to earth sciences, or some, you could say, the defense, because the psych word can be misleading in other contexts. So if you have gone through this news, this is not too difficult news to decode, and make sure you just add them in outer planetary missions of the NASA. So I hope you have a fair idea about this asteroid which is making headlines. We will be back soon with another current affair lecture on science and tech. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.